Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about revealed preference theory. Revealed preference theory is given by American economist Paul Samuelson. According to this theory, people revealed their preferences through their choices. According to this theory, people revealed their preferences through their choices. Means so many alternatives are available in his budget, but he will select one particular alternative, and selection of one particular alternative will reveal his preference. For example, consumer choose chocolate ice cream over vanilla ice cream. So it will reveal consumer prefer chocolate ice cream over vanilla ice cream. Now we will see diagram of this theory. In this diagram, on x-axis we have x commodity and y-axis we have y commodity. Here you can see so many combination of x and y commodity like A, B, C, D, E and F. And PM is budget line of consumer, and cost of all combination which lies on his budget line is same. Cost of all combination which lies on his budget line is same. For example, A and B combination are lies on his budget line. That's why cost of A and B combination is same. And all combination which are below to his budget line are inferior. All combination which are below to his budget line are inferior. For example, C, D and E combination are below to his budget line. That's why these combination are inferior. And consumer cannot afford any combination which are beyond to his budget line. For example, F combination is beyond to his budget line. That's why consumer cannot afford F combination, because this combination is very expensive. But consumer can afford all combination A, B, C, D and E. But he will not select C, D and E combination because these combinations are inferior, and consumer will choose A combination over B combination. Consumer will choose A combination over B combination, and selection of A combination over B combination will reveal his preference, and this is our revealed preference theory. Now we are going to talk about assumptions of this theory. First assumption is rationality. According to this theory, our consumer is rational. He wants to get maximum utility. That's why he choose combination A which lies on his budget line, and this combination give him maximum utility. He doesn't select any combination which are below to his budget line like C, D and E, because these combination are inferior and these combination give him less utility. Second assumption is positive income elasticity. According to this assumption, as our income increase, our demand will also increase. Here you can see earlier consumer cannot afford this F combination because this combination was very expensive and crossing his budget. But as his income increase, his budget line shift forward from PM to PM1 and M1. Now he can afford this F combination. So here we see as income increase, demand of consumer also increase. Next assumption is consistency. According to this theory, consumer behavior will shows consistency. His behavior will not change again and again. For example, if in particular situation he will choose A over B, then in next situation he will not choose B over A. He will always choose A over B because his behavior shows consistency. His behavior will not change again and again. Next assumption is transitivity. According to this theory, consumer will always shows transitivity in his behavior. For example, if he choose A over B and B over C, then he must be choose A over C. Now we are going to talk about criticisms of this theory. First is choices does not reveal his preference. According to this theory, people's preferences are revealed by their choices. But this is not always true. Sometimes people preferences are not revealed by their choices. Next is fail to derive market demand curve. This theory only applicable in case of individual consumer, and this theory failed to derive market demand curve. And this theory also failed to analyze consumer behavior in case of risky and uncertain situation. Next, this theory gave overemphasis on rationality. consumer behavior always not shows rationality. Sometimes his behavior shows irrationality when they do shopping influenced by their emotions. Last is ignorance of role of advertisement. As we know, advertisement play very important role to influence consumer behavior, but this theory ignore role of advertisement. So this is all about revealed preference theory. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.